Okay, I'm a Brit. We're in Brisbane, Australia. I've never spent a Christmas here in my entire life. And one thing that completely shocked me the first time I moved here is my Australian wife, Maddie. She was like, oh, no one does Christmas lights like we do. I said, I don't believe that. I thought the Americans were way better. And now I find myself in suburban Brisbane and we are going to do a tour of some of the best Christmas lights that people have put up in their own houses. They've spent their own money on. They're paying it out of their own electricity bill. You can come along with me. Let's go. Okay, so our system for this is pretty much Ellie is in the back with the Brisbane Instagram page locating the next Christmas house. And our new rule is if there is not an interactive walkthrough element, we're just going to stay in the car to maximise the amount of Christmas houses we can see here in Brisbane. So that's pretty cool. Wow, this is pretty cool, this one.
Oh,
Tall boy.
Tall boy element. What should we do? Should we pretend we're on the sleigh?
Yeah, do something funny. And this is free, right?
No, you have to pay at the end. Yeah.
Well, I can see the owner, which is really
Yeah,
cool.
no, they're just like hanging out. Look, should we? They're ready to go.
Yeah. Okay, let's do it. I just think this is incredible that this is someone's home.
Yes. Honestly.
And like that was their front door.
Remember how I was telling you, like in Japan, I was like, and then you get out and you walk through?
That's crazy. By the way, you probably are wondering who these new faces on the channel are. We've got Alex driving.
Hello.
And we've got Ellie in the back doing all of the direction.
I'm doing all the direction. Oh, here it is.
And we've got Madeline.
I'm here too. Hi.
Nice.
Here's the next one.
Oh, ditto.
Oh, that's
cool.
so funny.
Oh, Bluey and Bingo.
Bluey. This is cute.
Alex can't look right now because he has to full focus on the drive. Oh, look, there's
they've
so
got
many
Grinch.
people.
They got the Grinch.
House number 2.
Shall I film you walking around it?
You didn't say it.
Two. Go on. Walk through.
You know when you try and walk nonchalantly in a video and you feel awkward?
Yeah. Is that you now?
This is how I walk. You gotta do this when you see a bubble.
You can't do that. You can't put that in.
I'm turning on bubble cam. Okay, we're on bubble cam now.
Perfect.
But there's lots of people and I'm scared they're gonna judge me.
Nonchalant
being on
bubble.
Nah,
Bubble
don't
nibble.
worry. There's no bubbles left.
Bubble cam was a massive fail.
Yeah, well, that girl just like. Oh, it's back. It's back. Go.
I feel too awkward. I feel too awkward. Jumping into the road for this. I got it. I ate it.
Sam!
Okay, we've just pulled up to a house. Oh, that's beautiful there. That is lovely. It's quite busy with all the cars, isn't it? Everyone's like trying to push in and everyone's like, you know, trying to barge. All very close. And like all the people are parking on the roads, which like you have to. Okay, here we go. Look at that.
We want to just drive by that one. I saw all of that one. Yeah. What about you, Alex?
I didn't see anything.
Oh, we best get out then. Let's go have a look then, shall we?
It's above you!
But he is technically in the toilet because he's got loo paper.
That's what I mean. The toilet paper's above you, mate.
This is so Australian.
What is it a metaphor for?
You're right.
Is that meant to be like an outhouse then?
Yeah.
And just a quick one, I was checking my YouTube analytics the other day and I noticed that over 98% of you who regularly watch these videos aren't yet subscribed. So if you are enjoying this, hit that subscribe button. Really helps me to keep these videos coming. Let's get on to the next one. Okay, so what we rank in House 3?
7, 6.
5.
I'm going to go for a 6, I reckon, because that animatronic Santa opening and closing the dunny was pretty cool. But this is all making me realise, although I was a bit sceptical about a tropical Brisbane Christmas and thinking, oh, will it be as good as a UK one? You can't really compare them like that. They're just very different. And although, yes, it's very hot outside, it's kind of lovely. And having this Christmas light tour is nothing like we have in the UK. I'm finally starting to feel a bit Christmassy. Are you guys feeling Christmassy?
Very. I was in August. Yeah.
I am feeling Christmassy.
Well, hey.
Just for this week, though.
Only this week.
Yeah.
By the way, there is an extended director's cut version of this video out on my Patreon, and there's also lots of other exclusive episodes that aren't on this channel. So if you're interested, I will leave that in the first link in the description below, or you can scan the QR code up there. Are we allowed to tell the viewers that you do FIFO?
It's secret.
Is it? I just think that's cool. Alex, please give us some context as to what the curry is.
Curry is a place in North Queensland near Mount Isa.
And what do you do there?
Not much.
What if your employer sees this?
You pretty much run your whole department now.
Oh yeah, my boss quit.
So you just fly out there every other week, right?
Yep.
That's sick. And is it warm?
Yeah.
House numero 4 with... Oh, wow, those reindeers are very cool.
We've got Dublé House.
Dublé House.
I feel like this is 3 houses.
Yeah.
Oh, and there's a little kangaroo back there. Or is it a wallaby?
He's kind of scary.
I also want to apologise to everyone for the terrible camera work then. So sorry about that. Hi, they're waving at us. So what are we rating house number 4?
7. I feel like it was a solid 7 because it was nice to look at, but it wasn't like pizzazz.
No.
What do you reckon?
I think 7.
I'm actually going to give it a 6.
Whoa.
Yeah, I thought it was really good, but with all the other ones we've seen,
That's fair.
they were just so much higher. But sorry to be yeah, I am a negative Nigel. Oh, there's a bus! Alex! That was close. There's jump scares.
The Grinch.
Wait, what? I nominate you to go see the jump scare Grinch.
I don't want to.
Sit on the Grinch's lap.
Who's going to do the jump scare Grinch?
Alex. It's gotta be
Alex? Why?
Shake his hand. Shake his hand.
Not so sure.
You're a brave man. You're braver than I.
Really gross.
It's very bright. And that right there is the real meaning of Christmas. Right, so what were you rating that one?
Oh, I think 8.5.
8.
Oh.
Maybe an 8.7. Yeah, I really like the nativity scene.
Am I going left or right?
That's not a rating.
Very homey, very low-key Christmas.
Yeah.
And it had a nativity scene. Oh, 8.
Yeah, I think 8. I think I'm going to go 8.5. I loved it. Maybe even 9. That was my favourite one so far. Yeah, I loved that one. I thought they put a lot of effort into that one. Yeah, the kids got lollies, but we didn't. That's my only negative. Because adults, we're still kids. And if you want to keep the adventure going, go watch this video right here all about the Australia effect and how it completely changed me with my before and after. And go click that and I will see you over there. Thank you for watching to the end and see you in the next one. Bye.